to African drum lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the first basic drum beat called Tshimollo, which is the beginning. The first beat is bass tone tone. Now let's try it on a drum twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? Go. The second one is bass slap slap. Let's try it on a drum. Ready? Go. Let's try again. The third one is bass tone. Let's try it on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? Go. The fourth one is bass slap. Now let's try it on a drum. Ready? Go. Let's try again. The fifth one is tone slap. Let's try it on a drum. Ready? Go. Let's try again. The last one is slap tone. Let's try it on a drum. Ready? Go. Let's try again. Ready? Go. This is the end of our first basic drum beat. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.